Very fine. Good morning again. Now you are entering into the next part of CRUD operation. So read activity. Now you will go to that code. I will create a new method. So that is app.getOff, which will be named as /my to-dos, comma, that is request, comma, response, which tends to inside that so inside that we will type try catch block. So try, then catch error, then console.log error.message. Inside that I will type constant all my to-dos, constant all my to-dos, which is equal to, I think as in case again I have missed ASYNC. So I got type await pool.query of, we will type select star from the table name my to do. Save the file. Await, spelling mistake, AWAIT. So then I will type response dot, I think here I will change response dot send. Here also I will type response dot send of. So it returns all those values. So I will type all my to-dos dot rows, all rows. Now I will save that file. Save that file. Now I will go to my Postman. I will change it as get method. Clear this. Otherwise I will create a new app. Yes. http://localhost:3002 my to-dos. Sent. It can return the result. The first one, this is my first data. Second one, this is my second data. Third one, this is my third data. So which return the entire things, which works fine. So which is for second activity, read activity, CRUD operation, read activity. CRUD operation, read activity, which works fine. Now get by ID. Now next one for get by ID. So I will type app.get so inside double quotes I will type /my to-dos /ID. So get by ID. So I will get the ID here. So I will type comma request comma response. Before that I will add async. See? Here I will remove this, which tends to. So I will type try catch block. So try, everything was same. So I will type catch block, then error, console.log of error.message. I will save the file. Then inside that I will get that ID. So constant ID, which is equal to request dot parameters. Then I will type constant my to do, which is equal to await pool dot query of select star from my to do where ID equal to parameter is $1, comma, inside square bracket I will specify ID. Then at the end I will return response dot send of my to do dot rows of 0. So now I will save that file. It started. Now I will go to Postman. I will create a new API, which is also a get method. So http://3002 my to dos. Then in the params, I will pass ID. Otherwise, I will directly pass it here. So my to do / the ID is 2. I will pass 2. Then I will click send. So second value which will be received. If I will pass 3, which will return the third one. So it's for read operation get by ID. The first one for get all. Here read operation for get by ID. So there are two read operation. First one is insert operation is create. The second one is read operation. There are two read operation. One for get all. The second one for get by ID. So these are the basic codes. This is for get all. So the query was select star from table name. This is for get by ID. The query was select star from table name where ID equal to the params. So this is for second operations. Thanks for watching. Thank you.